How does Bitcoin mining work? Anybody can become a Bitcoin miner before writing software with specialized hardware. Mining software listens to transactions broadcast through peer-to-peer network and performs appropriate tasks to process and confirm these transactions. Bitcoin miners perform this work because they can earn transaction fees by using users for faster transaction processing and newly created Bitcoins issue into existence according to a fixed formula. So I'm going to end the video right here. For more information, you can go to the We Use Coins, which is the website I'm using, or the Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. And I'll see you on my next video.